Today we have a 2-for-1 special, crispy fries from scratch with the steak and cheese wrap to match. Grab some potatoes, wash and peel them, and then chop them up. Bring those to a boil until they are fork tender. Let's start with the wrap. Cut up an onion and pepper, add some garlic to a pan, get that cooking down. If you're slow like me, the potatoes should be ready. Now drain them, be careful. Then you want to dry them off. We're gonna start to mash up those potatoes, add a half a cup of potato starch, some salt, pepper, and garlic powder to taste. I had to get the gloves on so I could really get up in there and, squeeze that out. Next, you wanna take that mixture, put it between two pieces of parchment paper, and we're gonna roll that out nice and smooth, get that flat. Yeah. Now we're going to start forming our fries. Just cut down in a straight line, then you can cut them in half. Once those are shaped, you're going to put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. When it comes out, put some olive oil on it before you put it in the air fryer. Cook up your meat, get your wraps ready, then your french fries should be ready by the time that's all done. Nice, golden, crispy. You have your steak and cheese wrap on the side. Look at that plate, look at that. Yeah, that's a good dinner right there. Not too hard to make, and it's from scratch. Let's go.